channel. I'm Christina Sheree. If you're new, hey. If you're returning, it's always good to see you. If you're new, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my family. I love to play with makeup and review some products and all that good stuff. So Pat McGrath has a new palette out, Mothership 6, I believe. There's all this hype about her new palette, and I think she dropped a couple new holiday ones too, but the Mothership 6 is out and everyone's talking about it, so it kind of actually inspired me to just pull out my Mothership 5. Before we dive into the palette, can we just talk about the artwork? Can you see that? I love artwork. She kills it with the designs on her packaging. I don't know how some people get rid of this. This is like a piece of art. But aside from the packaging, let's get into this palette. So I'm going to be playing with this bad boy today. Just kind of want to do a combination of a warm fall look with a pop of, I'm thinking teal or blue, some kind of something to add spice to it. So let's just jump right into this. Picking up my Morphe M573, I'm dipping into the color Entrapment, and I'm actually going to place this all over the lid and a little bit higher, so it'll be kind of my transition shade as well as a lid shade, because I'm going to put another color on top of the lid. So I took Entrapment and I actually placed it all over my lid and blended it up into my transition area. I also took it and brought it down and started to smoke it down underneath and connect it and then bring it up to a little bit of a wing on the sides because I want sort of a really warm haze around the entire eye. So now what I'm going to do is take my Morphe M321 and dip into the color Disobedient. For this color, I'm actually just going to place it just in my crease to deepen it up just a little bit. Start there. Okay, now I'm picking up my Morphe, or actually sorry, my Shany 13 brush, and dipping into the color Extreme Aubergine. I'm just going to place this in the outer V of the eye and on the outer third of the lid, just to deepen it up even more. Okay. I like that. I think what I'm going to do is actually turn this into a halo eye. That's what I'm going to try to do. Alright, so same brush, same color. Now I'm going to pack this color, Extreme Aubergine, into the first third of my eye. Not pack it into. Pack it on my lid. Extreme Aubergine now packed on the inner third and the outer third. I'm taking the same brush that I used for Entrapment. I'm not adding any more product. I'm just going to go over the crease a little bit just to soften it and blend it some more. Alright, I think that works. So now I'm picking up my Anastasia 18 and going into the color Rose Gold 005. For this one, I'm actually going to place it first just in the center. Actually, it's not picking up on my brush. I'm just going to use my finger and place it in the center of the lid. See if I need to fix plus anything. Okay, that is really pretty and all in my eyelashes. For sure, I gotta fix plus it to just give it something to stick. Probably should have used like a glitter glue or something, but next time. Picking back up my Shany Cosmetics brush and going back into Extreme Aubergine, I'm actually going to fix plus my brush and Go back over the inner third and the outer third where I placed the color initially. I just want to deepen it up some more. Alright, I like that. So picking up my Morphe E36, I'm dipping back into the color Disobedient, and this time I'm going to fix plus the brush and place it on my lower lash line. Smoke it out. Okay, with Disobedience smoked on my lower lash line, now I'm actually going to take Entrapment and just go right underneath that just a little bit to soften the edges and buff it out some more. Alright, so I'm going to try something different for my inner corner. I really want a pop of like the colors that are in my earrings, so I'm going to use my Melt Cosmetics liner pencil in the color 420. I'm going to use this as my inner corner. We'll see what this does. Okay, that's different. I just put the pencil on. Now I'm actually going to smudge it out, and for that I'm using my Natasha Denona number 4. Okay, so I'm going to do lashes and liner off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. What did I do? First of all, I'm actually really liking this Melt 420 in the inner corner. Kind of gives me vibes. I don't know what kind of vibes, but I like my vibes here. So just really quickly, what did I do? I used my It Cosmetics No Tuck Pencil in black to tightline underneath. I also used my NYX That's the Point eyeliner and just winged it out a little bit. And my two trusty favorites, my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer and, sorry, I'm just looking around everywhere, my favorite now, Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. And this is the final look. Hope you like it. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. I love doing these videos. I'm glad you had some time to spend with me. I don't want to just ramble on, so I'm just going to say thank you. Enjoy your day, morning, noon, or night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I appreciate the time. And before you go, or just after you go, head on over to Instagram and check me out. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.